Welcome to Renovate. Today, we'll be examining the best drain cleaning machines. The WORKPRO is a versatile and practical tool designed to tackle stubborn clogs in household drains. Powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, this machine offers up to 560 RPM of rotation, making it capable of efficiently clearing blockages in pipes ranging from 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches in diameter. The device is equipped with a 25-foot flexible cable, which is ideal for navigating through twists and turns of sinks, toilets, and other plumbing fixtures. Additionally, its cordless and lightweight design enhances portability, and the built-in LED light ensures visibility in low-light environments. However, this device does have some drawbacks. The 25-foot cable length might be insufficient for more extensive plumbing systems, particularly in larger homes. Users might also find the 2 amp-hour battery limiting for prolonged use, as the need for recharging could interrupt work on bigger projects. Despite these limitations, the tool's ease of use and the convenience of a quick charger, which replenishes the battery in about an hour, make it a solid choice for most home DIYers. In conclusion, this model is an effective and user-friendly drain cleaner that addresses most common household clogs. It's a valuable addition to any homeowner's toolkit, particularly for those who appreciate cordless convenience. You can find a link to purchase this product on Amazon in the description below the video. The VEVOR is a powerful and versatile tool designed to handle tough clogs in both residential and commercial plumbing systems. With its 250-watt motor, this machine can reach speeds of up to 700 RPM, making it effective for clearing blockages in pipes ranging from 1 to 4 inches in diameter. The 50-foot solid steel core cable is engineered for durability, resisting tangling and kinking, which is crucial for navigating complex pipe systems. Despite its strengths, the machine's relatively heavy weight of nearly 67 pounds could make it cumbersome to transport, especially for those who need to use it across multiple locations. Additionally, while the manual feed system offers control, it may require more effort compared to automatic feed modules, particularly when dealing with stubborn clogs. Overall, this model drain cleaner machine is a solid choice for those looking for a durable and efficient solution for drain cleaning. It's particularly suitable for serious DIYers and professionals who frequently encounter challenging plumbing tasks. Check out the link in the description below the video to purchase this machine on Amazon. The RIDGID PowerClear is designed to tackle blockages in household drains like those found in sinks, tubs, and showers. It features a compact and lightweight build that makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. One of its standout features is the auto feed technology, which automatically feeds and retrieves the cable, keeping your hands clean. The machine also includes a 2-piece guide hose that helps to minimize mess and offers flexibility for different applications. However, there are a few limitations to consider. The cable is only 30 feet long, which may not be sufficient for more extensive drain systems. Additionally, while the machine is powerful for its size, it may struggle with very severe clogs, especially in larger drain lines. Overall, this model is a solid choice for routine drain maintenance and smaller blockages, especially in residential settings. It's easy to use, keeps things clean, and offers decent power for most household jobs. For those interested, there's a link to purchase this product on Amazon in the description below. The Steel Dragon D62A is a versatile handheld drain cleaning machine designed for clearing small to medium-sized drain lines, making it ideal for residential applications such as sinks, tubs, and showers. Equipped with a 600 RPM motor, it provides variable speed control, which helps navigate through bends and curves in pipes. The machine comes with a 35-foot 5/16" inner core cable that can handle drains from 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches in diameter, making it effective for clearing common household clogs like hair, soap, and grease. Despite its efficiency, this device does have some drawbacks. Its 35-foot cable might not be long enough for larger or more complex plumbing systems, and its heavier weight could make it slightly less portable compared to other models in its class. Additionally, the auto-feed mechanism, while convenient, may require periodic adjustments to maintain smooth operation. Overall, this model is a solid choice for homeowners needing a reliable tool for regular drain maintenance. It's particularly useful for those who frequently encounter blockages in smaller lines. You can find a link to purchase this product on Amazon in the description below. The Milwaukee M12 AIRSNAKE is a unique drain cleaning solution that uses compressed air to clear clogs, making it ideal for sinks, toilets, and even floor drains. Unlike traditional augers, this tool clears drains without direct contact, which helps protect fixtures and avoids messy cleanups. It's equipped with an adjustable pressure setting, giving you control based on the type of blockage, and the ability to reach up to 35 feet allows it to handle a variety of residential plumbing issues. However, this device's reliance on air pressure means it might not be as effective on severe clogs that require physical cable contact. Additionally, while it's highly portable and easy to use, the price point may be a consideration for those who don't encounter frequent plumbing issues. In summary, this model is a versatile and innovative tool, particularly well suited for routine maintenance and smaller clogs in residential settings. It's available for purchase through various retailers with a link provided in the video description. The RIDGID K400 is a powerful and reliable drain cleaning machine designed for clearing tough clogs in residential and commercial drain lines with diameters ranging from 1.5 to 4 inches. It comes with a 75-foot half-inch solid core cable that is ideal for handling blockages in tubs, showers, and sinks. This model is particularly notable for its ease of use, featuring a built-in transport cart with large wheels that make it easy to move around job sites. One of its standout features of this device is its auto-feed option, which automatically advances and retrieves the cable, reducing the need for manual effort and minimizing the risk of cable kinking. However, its relatively heavy weight might be a concern for some users, especially if frequent transport is required. Additionally, the machine is primarily designed for medium-sized clogs, so it may not be as effective for smaller pipes. In summary, this model is a robust choice for those needing a durable and effective drain cleaner for medium to large size pipes. It's available with a full set of accessories and is backed by a solid warranty, making it a dependable tool for both professionals and serious DIYers. You can find a link to purchase this product on Amazon or other online retailers in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to keep up with future content. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.